Hello YouTube, welcome back to my video. In this video, I am going to show you how you can parse a nested PHP array. Okay, so I'll be showing step by step from a simple PHP array to a nested PHP array. Okay, so ultimately I'm going to write a recursive function which will work for any type of arrays in PHP. Okay, now I have my exam server installed in my PC, and let me start the exam server. So if you don't know how to set up a simple PHP server, just go to my videos. I have another video how you can set up a simple PHP server. Okay, so if I'm just writing localhost, it will be a empty or page not found exception, since there is nothing in htdocs folder. Okay, now let me create one file here as index.php. So let me open this in my notepad plus plus, and let me write something. So if I'm just saving this and go to go back to our browser, if I'm just refreshing this, you can see it's been written there. So means the PHP server is working. Okay, now let me write a simple PHP array in this page, and let's go for printing that one also. Okay, yes, I have created a simple PHP array with three elements in that: car, bike, truck, and I have just given an echo to print each values. Okay, so this is how we can print directly. Now let's go, and if I'm just refreshing, you can see it's being printed car, bike, truck. As I have not given a breakpoint here, it will print in one line. Okay, so let me reset it again, and I will add more values. Okay, now it's a straight array. Now let me add a value as an element as another array. Okay, so let's see how it looks. Yes, I have just updated the code as the first element as another array. Okay, now if we are going to our localhost page, and let's see what it is coming. It should not come, it will be an error. Let's see anyway. Yes, you can see the first one, it's an array, and the second one is bug and track. So to access the inside value, you have to, for example, I have to get this one, sports car. So it's the zeroth element, and inside is the second element. Okay, now if you're just writing like this, second element, and going back to local host page, just refresh, you can see. So we are getting the third element from the zeroth element of array vehicles. Okay, I have made the second element also an array, so we can simply show that, I mean get that element, one of the element printed like this. Okay, so it will print the first element inside the array. Okay, now going back to localhost page, if I'm refreshing, you can see the first element from that is getting printed. Okay, now we don't know, like if we don't know what type of array will be the response of any request, or if it's a big request, I mean big array, we don't know how much will be the element, and which we want to print. Okay, so for that we can directly use a recursive function. So I'll show you that how you can create a recursive function so that any type of array will be working in that. Yes, I have created a function. so that it can be used to print out or iterate any type of PHP arrays. Okay, so this is just a function. We'll pass our array as a parameter to this function. First it will check the past array, I mean the past variable is an array or not. If it is array, it will enter into this for each loop, and each value will be iterated as into this value parameters. Okay, now again it will check this is an array or not. So if it is an array, so it will check this value is again an array. So if it's an array, it will call the function again, this function again, and do the same. Okay, so it will iterate all the values in the array. Okay, let's try if this is working or not. So I have written uh, the functions completely here, so we can call this function directly like this from here, I guess. So our array name is vehicle, just paste it here, and let me give some more breakpoints here so that we can identify perfectly. Okay, okay, it's good enough, I think. Now so let's open our localhost page. If I'm just refreshing, yes, you can see every value is being printed without anything, I mean, so we don't have to set any values or any element like this manually. It will print all the values directly. Okay, so this is just a small type of array. Okay, let me paste a big array and let's see how it is printing or not. So I have made the array little more complex. You can see I have made the third element as another array. So inside that array there are more values there. Okay, everything is the rest, everything is same. I have I'm just calling the recursive function and it should print all the values. Okay, now going back to our localhost page, if I'm just refreshing, you can see all the values are getting printed one by one. Okay, you can see all the values are getting printed by one, title, director, and year. You can see here first one is their window title and director and year. Okay, yes, so this is the best example how you can pass nested arrays without any problem. Like you can have just a recursive function. All you have to do is just call that function and pass the array into that, so rest all will be done by this little code snippet. Okay, so hope you got this. If you have any doubt in this, please comment below. I'll try to help you, and please like and subscribe for my videos, and thanks for watching. I'll share all the source code in my description. Thank you.